Good evening, students. I am back to solve your queries again. You must know that last time we have made a file, we made a folder in our D drive, and the name of that folder is HTML, and in which we have made this file. To view the content of this file, right click and open with some more programs. Let's see if we have more apps, notepad, and OK. So this is the file that we have made. I'm going to close it. Close it. Now you can see this is the file that we have made. This is the coding that we have given last time. Now students, today I'm going to teach you few of the tags. Today's topic is that I'm going to teach you is I'm going to tell you, please see few topics. I'm going to teach you a topic that is, the first one is BR tag. The full form is break rule. The next one is formatting tags. What are these formatting tags? B, bold, U, underline, I, italics, subscript, sup, superscript, and font tag. So this is a page, and this is our web page. This is our coding. So the first, I have written Theo web page. Then I have entered. Today we will learn break rule tag. So here you can see that I have written these two lines, first line and the second line. File, save, and I'll refresh over here. But what you see that when I type these two lines in two different lines, but on a page it displays in a single line over here. Now let's see, I'm typing in a same line, but I'm using a tag BR. Sometimes your text will move other side, so use wrap text, format wrap, word wrap. Now look here, Theo web page. Today we will learn break rule and a tag. File, save, and refresh. Now a question arises, sir, here we have used title and title close. Here head close, body close, body, but only BR, not BR close. So students, tags are of two types. One is called container tag, having opening element as well as closing element. But the elements or tags which are having only opening end are called empty tag. These are called container tags, and BR is a type of empty tag. So the note is note is BR is empty tag. Please write down BR is empty tag. I'm going to remove it again. Delete. Is it clear to all of you? Now again, if I want to write one more thing, I'll in a different line I'll use BR hope you understand it. Full stop. File, save, and refresh. Three different lines. We can write it like this also. BR and enter. BR over here. BR and enter. Let's see. Now, the formatting tag. I want this Theo web page to be bold, so I'll use B tag, and before B I'll close B tag. So students, B is for bold, and if I'm using opening tag as well as closing tag, means it is a container tag. Let's see. File, save, refresh. You can see bold. I want this one italics. What will I write? Yes, I slash I. File, save, refresh. Underline. Yes, U slash U. File, save, refresh. Now, what have you learned? Again, one thing. Whatever changes, don't make complete page at a time. Do first step, then move to the next step. See whether it is working or not, and then move to the next step. Let's see. I have told you some more formatting tag. Suppose I want to write H2O, a formula of water. H. So SUB 2 slash SUB O BR. File, save, refresh. H2O. This is called subscript. The text following sub tag will come a little bit below to the normal text. The next is sub B. Okay. X sub 2 slash sub close. Now again a trick, just Control C, Control V, and instead of X write on Y. Over here plus. Let's see. File, save, refresh. X square, Y square. So students, this is the coding and this is the output of the page. I hope you must understand it. For any other query, you can contact me in school. Thank you for watching my video. Next time we'll meet again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.